it's July 28th and it's Sploot's first birthday! First birthday, Sploot, first birthday! Yeah! Oh, we're gonna give him a delicious breakfast, open up some presents, go on hikes, go to the dog park, have a birthday cake. Oh, Sploot, it's your big day! You're 1 year old! Sploot, 1 year old! Sploot, 1 year old! Happy birthday! Oh, good boy! Good boy! Check it out, Sploot, brand new toy! Yeah, yeah. Ready? Go get it. Oh, your arm went inside of it, Sploot! Oh, big boy, what a good boy, Sploot! All right, Sploot. Oh, cute. Go get it. Oh, good boy. Oh, good boy. Did it squeak in there, Sploot? Is that a new toy? Are you excited? If you're wondering why all of the toys that I got Sploot and that you will see are made out of this rubber type of stuff, is because Sploot destroys everything. So I had to get him toys that don't get wrecked easily. Oh, good boy. Wow, you got that one out so quick. New rope. You got another one. Open that one. Good boy. Look. Oh, that one's gonna be so annoying. Oh. Do you want me to hold it while you open it? Would that make it easier? Sploot! Look how big it is. Last one, Sploot, one more. Do you not care anymore? Are you done? Look at all the wrapping paper you've ripped, Sploot. I only had spare Christmas wrapping paper, so that's why it's all Christmas themed. It's your favorite treat! Freeze-dried cheddar cheese! Your favorite! High five. Good boy. Can you lay down? Down. Ready? Don't touch. Don't touch. Don't touch. Don't touch. Don't touch. Okay, you can have it. Good boy. Good stuff, hey, Sploot. Guess who gets to clean all of this up? You! We haven't actually gotten his birthday bark box yet, but we'll be waiting on that. Probably won't make it into this vlog, but it will on to the next, right, Sploot? Yeah! Yeah! Yeah, Sploot! Happy birthday, Sploot! Look how delicious this looks. Look at your nose, Sploot. Look at your nose. So I didn't vlog too much on his birthday because we hiked and went to the dog park and I wasn't really exciting for vlog footage. I'm just gonna add in a montage now of some clips and videos that I have of Sploot when he was a puppy till now, and we'll play that right now. This is Sploot, everyone. Hi, Sploot. Good morning. Oh, she's gonna meet you. She's gonna love you. Yeah. Uncle Tashley. Uncle Tashley.
Uncle Tashley. Oh dear God. Oh hello. Oh, hi there. Oh, yes. Oh, I'm fighting my ear.
Sploot, what's that? Who's that? Hi. Brittany's got a ball. Brittany's got a ball. Oh my god, that was so cute. Oh my god, that was so cute. So we're gonna show you how Sploot can do all the stairs by himself. He learned in one go. Are you going up? Oh my god. Oh, keep going, buddy. Oh, you did it! Come on, Sploot, you can do it. Good boy, good boy, good boy. Yes. Little Sploot going on back there? How's that going? Just lay there, good boy. You're done your bath. Oh! Ah! Sploot's on a hayride. Shake it up, shake it up. Putting a bow tie. Oh, Sploot looking good, hon. Turn. Oh, good boy. Sploot. Look. Oh, look at the little corgi butt. It's okay, hon. You're a big corgi now. High five. Good boy. Wipe your feet, Sploot. Good boy. So give this video a giant thumbs up, subscribe if you're new to my channel, and I'll see you guys next time with a brand new video. Bye. Do you want to say bye, Sploot? Bye.